In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide drawings on TradingView mobile app. Now, the first way you could do this is to basically tap on a drawing you want to hide. So I'm going to tap on this one over here. And as you can see up top, there's going to basically pop up like a toolbar with different options. So in this toolbar, you can see at the very far right, you have three dots over here. You want to tap on the three dots. And when you do that, you want to scroll down and towards the bottom, it's going to say hide. If you tap on hide, it's going to hide that specific drawing. Okay, but if you want to hide all drawings at once, you could also do that by going to the bottom of your chart and tapping on the pen icon. So this one, it's basically the icon you use to draw drawings. And up top, you can see there's a bunch of categories. You want to scroll towards the left and you want to tap on tools. Inside tools over here, you can see under measure, it says hide drawings. If it doesn't say that, tap on the three dots next to it, and then from there you can select hide drawings, and that's going to hide all your drawings on your chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.